Okay, so looking to do a quick unboxing of my new DJI Osmo Action camera. So let's have a quick look over the box first. Usual DJI brandings and markings. So obviously dual screen, 4K HDR, 11 meters waterproof, 4K EIS, which I presume is the electronic image stabilization, 4K 60p and 8 times 1080p. So it should come with the camera, battery, USB-C cable, curved adhesive mount, quick release base, battery case, locking screw and flat adhesive mount. So obviously the apps are on the Google Play and App Store, and some information on DJI Care Refresh. Let's open up and see what we got. So in the box we have the camera itself already in the case. And then another cardboard box which I would presume contains everything else. So if we open this up and empty out, let's see what we have. We have the mounts, USB cable and screw, another mount, the battery case with the battery inside, I'm assuming, and finally an information booklet. Well, disclaimer and safety guidelines. And that is everything you get in the box. So let's open up the battery quickly. So that's good. In the case I have a slot to put a spare SD card. And the 1300 milliamp hour battery. Okay, let's look at setting it up. Okay, so before I do anything else with it, really, I'm going to take it out of the case. I have a couple of screen protectors I purchased along with the camera separately at the same time. So in here I should have a screen protector for the lens, the front screen and the back screen. So next thing to do is take out the case, peel these off and put the screen protectors on. So looking over the camera, we have the power and display button, the call button. On the side looks like we have, I believe, a microphone or speakers, as well as one of the release buttons for the battery. On the bottom we have the other release button for the battery. Then on the side we have another button as well as the port 4. If I can get it open with one hand. Charging and the SD card. So next I am going to peel off the protective stickers on front of the screens and lens, and then put on the screen and lens protectors in this kit. But to do this, a little tip which I was told and has seemed to work, because I've done it numerous times on iPhones and iPads, is to actually take this into the bathroom, run the shower for a minute or two so it heats up or humidifies the air, all the dust comes out, take this off and do it in the bathroom, and you should be in a quite clean environment and no dust particles should then be getting underneath the actual protectors. So we have all three attached, and unfortunately there looks like a very slight pinprick bubble on the lens, but the rest have gone on really well. Okay, so this kit comes with 2 lots of protective covers, the ones I've just put on, and an extra set, as well as instructions and a lint-free cleaning cloth. So obviously you've got a second set in case you mess up the first ones, or if you need to replace them, or if you have 2 cameras. Okay. Let's install the battery and turn it on for the first. It's quite a good detail that the battery actually comes in a case, which is good. Also with the camera, as it is waterproof, the protective rubber seal is installed on the battery as well. So let's see how that holds up. Okay, so that went in quite easily. Let's turn it on. So next thing I need to do now is download and install the DJI Mimo app before I can continue.